Hello friends, welcome to my channel My Way of Cooking Healthy and Tasty. My today's recipe is black bean patty burger. The black bean is a meat substitute and has the ability to fight cancer and diabetes. When you substitute beans for meat in your diet, you get the added bonus of decreased saturated fat which the meat couldn't. You can have it in your brunch or dinner table. So let's now get on with it. So this is the black bean. You have to soak it overnight and cook it until 3 to 4 whistles. See? It will be like this. Now see, I have just poured this in a plate, and before making the patty, I'll just mash it a little. So now I'll start making the patty for the burger. See, my pan is heated up. Put some oil. So I'll first put some coriander seeds to give it a little Indian touch. Let this splatter. Now I'm putting some crushed or chopped ginger. Let it be fried with the coriander seeds for few seconds, and then just adding on red cabbage. You can also use the regular green cabbage, whichever is available with you. And let it be cooked for some time. Now whenever your cabbage gets a little fried, then I'm just adding on the shredded carrot. Now here in this point, sprinkle a little salt. Just cook it for some times. Just cover it with a lid now to cook it a little faster. Now see, whenever these veggies become a little soft, now I'm using boiled and a little mashed green peas and sweet corn. to give it a little colorful touch. And let these two be cooked for some time. Now just sprinkle a little black pepper powder, it's almost cooked. Now it's time to use the black bean. Now to increase the taste, I will here use a little bit of chili sauce. Now this is sufficient, and just mix it well with the beans. Over here I would like to tell you one thing, that in a cast iron pan the color of the food does not always come out very pleasing, but this is actually considered more healthy than the other cooking utensils. So just use a cast iron pan as much as you can. Now this mixture is done. I'll just switch off the flame and take this out in a plate. See, I have taken this mixture out in a plate, and now to give it a more healthy touch I will use homemade cottage cheese or paneer. And now just mix this with the bean. And this will not only be a more healthy choice, but this will also help you for the binding of the mixture well before making the patty. A little bit salt again. Now I'll use some herbs like the oregano, and a little bit of basil. This is optional. If you have this, you can use it, but these herbs actually have very significant health benefits. So if you can avail this, just try to use those. A little bit of cilantro, chopped cilantro. I'll just mix it well. Now here I am using brown rice flour for the binding before making the patty. So if you don't have the brown rice flour, you can use the white one, but brown rice actually is considered more healthy than the white rice, but you can use whichever is available with you. This is as much as you required for making the mixture thick. I think it's enough. It's not required anymore. And at the same time, I have kept my pan over here on the cooktop to be heated. Now for frying the patty, I am using a non-stick pan. Now I'll start making the patty. So before doing so, just oil your palm a little and then just start making the patty. The size will be a little bigger for the burgers. It's very easy. Just take the mixture, give it a shape and just press it like this, and this is done. So now my pan is also heated up. Put some oil. We'll make it a shallow fry. Now my oil is also heated up. Now I'll start placing the patties on the pan. Just cook it until one portion is golden brown, and then we will just flip it over. Now the patties are all done from one portion. So now it's the time to flip them. The other portion is also done nicely. And I have already switched off the flame. Now it's time to take this out. So these are the cooked patties. Now we will start making the burgers. So now here I have the burger buns. Over here I will first put a lettuce, and then slices of cheese, and then we will put the patty here, and I have some tomatoes and some slices of cucumber. Now here I have ranch, so I'll just put a little bit on the top. If you don't have this sauce, you can just keep it. Without these two, this tastes awesome. Now the other other portion of the bun on the top. If you wish, you can use a little bit of slices onion too. So this is the black bean burger. These are all set to serve now. I really hope you liked my recipe. If you do, please hit the like option, share this with your friends and family, and please subscribe my channel for more healthy and tasty recipes. Thank you for watching, friends. God bless you all.